So you want to make money online in 2022 and heard about affiliate marketing, heard about setting up a business, but how do you do it? How do you do it and what are the steps to get there? In this video, I will cover a review on Home Business Academy, the pros, the cons, and what the investment covers. Now, in this whole goal of this channel is to provide information to help you build wealth and education and some travel tips as well along the side. So please consider subscribing to the station, liking the station, leaving any comments or any questions below, and subscribe to the Change newsletter at beingthechangellc.com. So we'll jump right into it. I completed a review previously on Ambassador program and what it means to be a brand ambassador. And in that journey led me to Home Business Academy. August the 11th is when I actually signed up for the program. So I went through the certification and I was trying to build faster, right? I can't help myself. I just want to go get there fast. My birthday is in September 6th. So anyway, I wanted to build fast. And in doing that, I landed on Home Business Academy. Now, if you go to my blog, set up through the Ambassador program, and please check out that YouTube video as well. But in what the Home Business Academy does is provide step-by-step resources to allow you, again, with affiliate marketing. So on my blog, you're able to go ahead and click here and access the all-in-one package. And this is everything that's included. Then this is what that shiny syndrome, I apologize. I'm human. I have it. So, but I'm glad I did because I was like, okay, $25. I just spent $30 to get something to eat. So if this helps me, helps my business, then I can literally make that $25 investment. So that's literally August 11th, what I went through. Okay. So I watched the video, I wanted in, but all of these things that were included were just amazing to me. Okay. And just like, again, $25. So I was saying, okay, if I chop up $25, I can't be at a loss. Chris is doing awesome with the Ambassador program. Once my weekly certifications, I'll continue to build. So that was literally my plan. That was the 1-2 punch. So these details were also what attracted me to the Home Business Academy, right? You can get profitable with it because, again, time is money, right? So even in the learning process and the waiting process, I want to have something where I can continue to build on what I was doing with Chris in the Ambassador program. So again, they're the community center focus. And one thing I can say honestly that made me go ahead and move forward was that community piece. And I'll go further in that as well. They'll work with you in a 3-step process to be able to help you, profit with your business. I mean, again, this is all the information is provided here on the blog. I've written a blog about it, the Home Business Academy blog, but it's also giving you, like I said, a multi-million-dollar layout. So again, as I explained before, when you have a layout of information, then you're going to have to get them from different sources. So if I have a goal, I want to help my community as much as possible. My business partner and I specialize in mortgages. We specialize in insurance and taxes and financial wealth. And in these different things, I mean, we have clients that have different needs. We have clients that have their own business. They don't know how to create their own LLCs. So it might be things that they don't know that we do that, to get the word out there and even on their own. So this all in one, I'm thinking about our business. Nika and I have talked about our goals and trying to get our message out there and seeing this $25 investment to partner with the other marketing efforts that we have. I mean, it made sense. Okay. So in other words, you are able to generate money from it. And again, like I said, time is money. So a win-win situation. And once I jumped in, okay, that was the kicker for me. So again, the email I received, I jumped in August 11th and, just seeing how they were part of the community. I have my own foundation as well. So having the Because We Care Foundation where we already, that's my passion, to reach the community. And in all the efforts that Unika and I are establishing with Being the Change LLC, with Rudy Ratings, with traveling, with talking to people, with helping people, is the importance of giving back to people. And that's what we do through our 501c3 nonprofit. Now, when I see, like I said, when things parallel and partnering with people is how you grow. So I received the email, signed up for the $25 all-in-one program, excited about building upon the Ambassador program for the marketing efforts, but seeing that they give daily meals, just from being a part of the program, it was just phenomenal in itself. And so being a partner with someone that's already a part of the community was a win-win for me all the way. But then it gets better. I jumped into the actual course, and they give you an opportunity again to a quick start. Okay, it's like a quick start opportunity, where you're able to understand to help other people right away, where you can try to make your money back if that's the direction you want to go into. And it's literally about what I spoke of before, is not to jump into any program without establishing some kind of plan. Because if you go from program to program to program, no, you're not going to accomplish your goals. You're going to be really educated on how to go from program to program to program and end up with no money, less money in your pocket, and not making, just going out there and trying some of the things that you're learning. So in that, I don't say go from program to program, but if you have a plan that's helping you to, and structuring you to go to the next step, then by all means, you know yourself. So I know me. So this was made sense. But like I said, jumping into the program, it allows you a quick launch strategy to tell other people, write social media posts. And my community my community knows me. So it's a good and bad thing, because sometimes they think that I'm just sending them information, but actually, in all actuality, it's something awesome. So sometimes it might get conflicted. That's why I have to do a video to present this kind of stuff. So I did post this on my social media, talking about the opportunity is with the Home Business Academy. But again, it gets better. They give you emails that you can send. They give you, this is just me jumping in for $25, just if I wanted to, not sure how to share the message with someone else. They tell you how to set up your funnel. So these are the things I learned in the Ambassador program. But again, if I was a beginner, didn't know anything, they're telling me how to get traffic. And not only, and I have to point out, the amazing platform it is. Once you get in, you have the $25 opportunity, but you offered another one-time opportunity where you can upgrade to premium. Because I specialize in wealth building and trying to help people, of course, that was something I wanted to do. So the Financial Literacy Piece Academy, they give you information about financial literacy. They give you information about debt elimination. I have clients, as I'm a mortgage broker as well. This information, $25 investment. And the information is structured not only that you can actually build some income for yourself or start your own small business or generate some income to be able to get that new home that you're looking for while you're waiting, while the market is doing what the market is doing. Have a plan, have an action plan. And I wanted to help, I talk to my clients all the time. I want to help people create that mental plan of what it looks like. And you can do it. It's all going to be the investment in you. It does take time, so I'm not going to say that. So anyway, the Financial Literacy Academy piece I have, and I'm going to be able to provide this content through beingthechangellc.com in a way that I can be able to relate with my clients, but having a resource already done. Just to relate it's just amazing. So Unica specializes in taxes, but here on this $25 program, they have tax strategies for U.S. business owners. They go through retirement planning strategies. I specialize in retirement planning. They already have strategies that I can share with my community. So we decided to invest $25 in. Look what we have. Records and booking keeping. They give you strategies. If you can't get in contact with us, you have a resource that you can actually go to and learn some of the things yourself. And I know it's all coupled in one area. They give you different scam things. This is so beneficial for some of my older clients. U.S. investors, they're giving you steps for flipping cars, passive power profits, stress-free property management, house flipping. It's not enough time to go through. I have not, and I'll be honest, I just jumped in August 11. I have not even been through all of the amazing things on this platform, but some of the things I have, it's literally exciting me to write my blog posts, to be able to share some of the content, to be able to relate it, to my community, to those that may listen or those that may not. So you have the visual. They have Facebook groups. They have the 11 masterminds for conversation. Like, for example, I had a problem with one of my blogs. They were able to help me. Yeah. $25 investment. Okay. More, so anyway, let me go through what the information provides. They have the funnel builder where they actually help you build a funnel. They give you the steps to actually build the funnel, set it up, the training. They give you live coaching. They have a Telegram group. They have a Facebook group. I mean, there's no excuse to. I have so many different ways. All I have to do is turn my brain on, ready to work, ready to learn. Adrienne, let's go. So where area do you want to do today? Because there's so many different resources right here, and I had to get this in front of you in video. Same thing with the I actually upgraded to the premium because traffic. Once you have everything laid out there, and that was the great thing about the Ambassador program. I knew I'm just an impatient person, and again, I love to travel. My birthday is September 6th. I just want to have fun. And so I don't mind putting in a lot of work to get there. And so that's not a problem for me. So I wanted free, how to get these free traffic ways. But let me tell you, to be able to do this YouTube, to be able to do the TikToks and things that you'll be seeing here soon, to be able to do all the social media is coming from this program because that's not my strength. I shared with that on the last video. It's not I come from the World Book days. I'm putting things on the flyer. Putting things on cards and, word of mouth, doing presentations, touching the people, knocking on doors when I sold insurance, Banker's Life shout out. Like that's the era that I came from. So I was trying to figure out how to get the message of all these things that are changing. Now I'm a mortgage broker. The rates are going up. The rates are adjusting. The property auction is here. There's opportunities to get homes if you want to do a fixer-upper. I have so much information, but what is it if I can't get it out there to my community? So that was so frustrating for me for the past year and figuring out how to do it the right way. And that's what this program has helped me do. That's the testimony of all testimonies. So you come here and you have to invest the time though to go through and understand the pre-traffic and understand how to actually get free traffic. So one thing that stood out for me, and Amy doesn't even know it, she was just a rock star in this training because she provided step-by-step homework that you had to complete once you did the actual training. And again, this training is going to allow me to do, it's allowing me to do this YouTube. It's allowing me to do the TikToks and things that you all will see here soon again, hands down. So all I can say, the pros in this course are, it's a lot of information. And sometimes, I'm going to say that's a con as well. Because, if you don't know how to navigate through it, it was a little difficult at first just because it was so much. And but once I kind of took a step back, got into the Facebook community, shout out to Robin because she hit me on Instant Messenger like 2 a.m. and doesn't even know me. But she was there to help. So it was like I was trying to figure something out. She helped me out with my account. I got the email address wrong. So just like the little things that I even make mistakes. We're all human. It's a community of people that they're here to, another family that is here to support you. So, I say all that to say, if you want to invest in yourself and try to get some changes, not only in your life and your business, this is important for your small business to understand how to get your message out there on whatever you specialize in your niche, then this is an investment I would definitely consider for you. So thank you again for our opportunity to watch the video. Please subscribe, please like, please give comments, please feedback, anything I can do to help the community, anything around travel. Rudy is uncut, direct travel product information just for you. So that's what Rudy stands for. We're being the change and here to be the change in the community for you. And thank you again for the opportunity to reach you and see you on the next video. Thank you for being the change.